English together.
A busy day.
Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, but I'm very busy today. How about you?
I'm busy too. I have so many things to do.
Really? What's on your list today?
First, I need to clean my apartment. It is very messy. There are clothes on the floor.
Oh no, that's not good.
I know. After that, I have to wash the dishes and take out the trash.
That sounds like a lot already.
Yes, and then I need to go to the bank. I must pay some bills.
Important things.
Yes. In the afternoon, I have a dentist appointment at 3 p.m. I don't like the dentist.
Oh, good luck.
Thank you. What about you? What's on your busy list?
Well, first I need to go to the supermarket. I want to buy fruit, rice, and chicken.
Are you cooking tonight?
Yes, I want to make dinner for my sister.
That's nice.
After shopping, I need to pick up my dry cleaning. My dress is ready.
Oh, that's important.
Yes, I need it for work tomorrow. After that, I need to water the plants and walk my dog.
Wow, you are busy too.
Yes, very busy.
Let's finish our work today and relax tomorrow.
That's a great idea.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.